unbreakable. Now we're strangers passing by. The echoes of our laughter fade like whispers in the night. But somewhere in the universe, we're still holding tight. In another life, we never say goodbye. We dance beneath the same old sky, no tears left to cry. In another time, our stars would realign. We find our way back home again, your hand still holding mine. I still wear the memories like a locket on my heart. A love too strong for this world, yet it tore us apart. Maybe fate was playing games, maybe we were meant to lose. But if I had just one more chance, I know what I would choose. In another life, we never say goodbye. We dance beneath the same old sky, no tears left to cry. In another time, our stars would realign. We find our way back home again, your hand still holding mine. Still holding mine. Maybe the roads we walked were never meant to stay, but somewhere beyond this life we'll find another way. Oh, so if you hear me calling in the whispers of the rain, oh, know that in some other world we are whole again. Oh, in another life we'd never say goodbye, and I'd be yours forevermore, beyond the edge of time.